for the Laplace transform, we utilize the Laplace transform to solve the electrical problem. So a resistor of the R equal to 10 ohm and inductor of the A equal to 2 Henry and battery of the E volts are connected in series with the switch S. So at t equal to 0, the switch is closed. So this is closed, switch is closed at the time of the t equal to 0. So initially this one is open, and then at the time t0 this one is closed. So the current is I equal to 0 because of the switch was open before, so no current can pass through because the switch is off, so the initial current I is 0. So we have to find the current for after switch off, you have to find a current. So supply voltage 40 volts. So this is for the supply voltage E, inductor and resistor connected in series. So the circuit current will be the I. So we write down the total voltage. Total voltage E is equal to the voltage draw across the inductor and the voltage across the resistor. Voltage across the inductor with the A d I dt, and voltage across the resistor with the I into R. So A d I dt plus I is equal to E. So in this case, A is our inductor battery 2 Henry d I dt, current I, resistance is 10. So this will become a d I dt plus 5I is equal to 2 d I dt plus 10I is equal to 40. So the d I dt plus 5I is equal to 20. So the d I dt will be the I dash plus 5I is equal to 20. So we have to find the Laplace transform. So Laplace transform I dash plus 5I, the hand side with the Laplace transform the 20. So then I dash, this is for the first order derivative, that will be the SIS minus I0, and 5I will be the 5IS. So Laplace transform of 20 will be the 20 divided by S. So we call it this equation here. So initial current is 0 when the switch is off. Therefore, in the place of the I0, we put a 0. So what you call is a S into IS plus 5IS equal to 20. So the IS multiply. So S plus 5 is equal to 20 by S. So the IA is equal to 20 by S into S plus 5. So this 20 divided by S multiply S plus 5 can be written the factor. So then we say A by S plus B by S plus 5. So we make the cross multiplication. The S plus 5 multiplied by A, so A into S plus 5. S multiplied by B into S. So that will be the A into S plus 5 plus B into A is equal to 20. So we substitute S equal to minus 5. So A disappear, B is a minus 4. So S becomes a 0. So in this case, B disappear and A is equal to 4. So that will be 4 by S plus minus 4 by S plus 5. So we find an inverse Laplace. Inverse Laplace of 4 by S will be the 40. Inverse Laplace of minus 4 by S plus 5 will be the minus e power minus 5. So this is the equation current I. The current I, after switch has been closed, the current will follow this equation.